Fine. Asma became my go-to for the moon. As Jimmy to any canoe, any radio to for Jimmy Cornwall, video to for Atta, or Jimmy Cornwall. Cast 7 years, cast matches will do to for Jimmy. Yeah, two for any do to for town. But there be a castle. We do two for them. Yes, we could be no KBB and I wouldn't that. We do two for them. Jimmy, you know. Endra. Otumfuo said to any opportunity to speak. And then Otumfuo can. Otumfuo catch the Ghana for you and say, on the bar. Ibrahim Mahama did the back school, 3 and the band school fees. And then the Amonka. Moi Santifoni be, mo ya monsam. Mona moment of 4 chance, Momu Otumfuo temono. Moi Santifoni be, Mumubi, mo ya monsam, mo ya bay for ma. Mo kahon, and Uncle Fonia, Otumfuo would do Otumfuo tem, and for so bien so. Andrea Otumfuo said to call program. Mr. S, get me the video. Or she might catch a Ghana for you and say, Ibrahim Mahama teni na Ibrahim Mokasa Otumfuo ba Ibrahim Mahama Benjamin ba kwasiafo modia mutie kuraso no Jimmy Andra Otumfuo J Mike o catch a Ghana for say ono ne ba Ibrahim Mahama na ehwe the school etua ne ba school fees enkwasiafo ne de mo bloggers mo ntena se na mo ndi hu komo eno de mo ntena se na mo nka se eh na teni na obeti Otumfuo tisika kokoso Nana Pia o me don also do me nana wo me ha me filu pa Otumfuo sika kokoso na oti Mumu asantifo ni bi mu agimi Mama Ghana etan bia abeda mo ni Ghana for tem because mumu bi mu agimi ohene no so nim nyansa ohene no does not discriminate ohene no oteso no watu kwan pen na ni abie na mo adehye ni bi de mu agimi omodwa do TV no do TV na branch odi Otumfuo tem mumu bi mu agimi also Andra Otumfuo J Mike o catcher Santifo say me Otumfuo say tutu sika nya me na me edian bosom kese me ba organize program we Ibrahim Mahama de tua ni school fees ade na dia mo sorry a monster mo bloggers no man start ya no pay ndi Otumfuo atem say ade no ma 10 Ibrahim Mahama tua ni school fees ade na mo ndi Otumfuo atem because I then attend you bet ya asantene hene ne ba school fees ma no enye atem didie aha mumu bi mu asantifo ni bi mu agimi de bia ka mo ase didi Otumfuo atem ye tiamo pe didi Otumfuo atem ye ka mo ni ma didi Otumfuo atem na mo ti jimi no ho 24/7 mu di jimi ti se bini mumu bi mu di jimi ti se bini ade na Otumfuo ka say Ibrahim Mahama tua the school fees ma nya hu dede. Because Otumfuo he does not discriminate. He's looking at the development of Ghana for, including Santifo. So say aya unenio, say aya dagomba nio, say aya gonja nio, say aya wine nio. Otumfuo does not discriminate. But mumu bi mu jiminti, mo na yana de bia mama amanfo nya ho kwan no mu di Otumfuo atem. Na say aya teni na hwe Otumfuo ba school. Say na me dwen so mo say Otumfuo sika wo wiase nyina no, bibia hia ne da. But because Otumfuo niska, it is out of respect and we being Ghanaians. We respecting each other. We understanding each other. We loving each other. We showing respect to each other. Na mwa santifo di bi mwa jimi. Mwa ese ncheng. Mumubi. Muna mwose asante. Muna mugu Otumfuo ni mase. Muna mama enkwasiafo bitumi anu tumi tia Otumfuo. Efise ohun. Sibia mumubi mujine no. Mujine se toilet mumwa. Me madam for pa. Ne mami asante ni. My 2 best friends, omo maami asantefo, me nanfofo mienu, omo maami asantefo, ba afuku free mampong, ba aku free asante. Uni asantefo jeme. I'm telling you, I don't hate asantefo. Na mumu bi no mu agimi the discrimination and hypocrisy. E didi mu mogem. Kwasiafo, ochanopa, mo sorry amunkoye argument. Munkoye demonstration say ade no Otumfuo atena ho. Sika kokko watena so ema Ibrahim Mahama ahwe ne ba wo school. Indwan Omweja. Mr. S, where is the video? Get me the video. Na me mbon chire omo. Ni antoa so. Ye kam asempe, we did Otumfuo atem. Ye kam asempe, we did Otumfuo atem. Mom pese nipa be ka no kra chire mo. Mom pe no kra. Bibi te se asantini ya wo no. O ka no kra chire na I say o man poison. I say obeku no. Ye nsi antoma fon abontene. Na wen nsi antoma fon abontene no, ye wuza antoma na efi so ayen kan chire o. Ha? Inti de bia no motiti social media na mu jimi mo sa no ayana dia me I don't care what you people want to tell me penasem I don't care what you people tell him, but I'm pointing out to you people your hypocrisy. And then I'm mubi, any part-time. Eh? Ochana de mewu. Ochana de Mr. P. Ochana de mewu. And ochana ometimiti. Ochana. Kevin Taylor Otumfuo. Kevin Taylor we. All right, Mr. P, give me the video. Kevin Taylor we. Ne mami a unani, ne papa frentini, ne papa ohine, onis Kevin Taylor kwa sia ochana be ochana de. Meta create tu. Me ochana meta create tu ochana chemu ombe tutu meta kra. Ochana omekumi ombe pesame. Ochana anopolo the TikTok momra Kevin Taylor kwa sia be ma hu bi. Hwede nim tantan. Kevin, where nipa? Kelvin, kasia yi ene ochana be wu ba mu bi bebre no magimi. And the Otumfuo say Ibrahim Mahama and the the school fees and ye can saying and this year and you the school fees money. And the Otumfuo banner a year 10 the school fees. Also Otumfuo has no problem with that. And Otumfuo has never had a problem with any tribe in Ghana. But more asantifoni be more Jimmy. It is a lack of intelligence, a lack of wisdom. And into more asantifoni be nipebi etin or omu so yem krasefo. Andra me catch them say or say kwame despite any sebio omo amaka we asantifo esikafo no they should try and develop Ashanti region. Asantini kwasiam penyi bi asantifo bi omo jimi no they have taken that thing and said hey yantiasie ebede na odu nkran ya nka so we kurasini huh ebede na odu nkran ya nkranfo no tumi hwe wonka so we kurasini because at the papa ebefia mumu bi mompe ochina ye ochina de mewu ochina mo be kire mase ochina me first girlfriend be kire na se me second girlfriend me fourth girlfriend abortion samaye o me kire eda ya wo me nipa wanzam obetwa me kote ochina me kire embre won ka je say me nya gade ni me so ochina de mewu o mewu ale ga vetera momo bi mo jimi ene jampu nti o ma fie no na obi asantini akwa anya sika kotena nkran na oye japade na oye project na be so ombra kumase be bia muntum manungunu so say adan na mun be bi okumase wona me wo problem o twen video ni ba mebo a kire wo I time bia be bia mebo I'm waiting for the video. Let's go on omodwa nyumbre de omonda hey boy we pa we di Otumfuo atem ehin fa na be di Otumfuo atem ehin fa mo de mo kan kire me bi phone lines na ma mo the way amumu bi mo time no I na me dwene mo a mentem ase okay see ade ntina mo MPP fo no bi sebio titira asantifo no bi mo time ade ntira me pese mo amoye bloggers no ende dem no make us fine me nsheda ma me kan fine Chairman Wontumi die ni bi wallahi talai see ade na I mo mpem asem asantifo no bi ene MPP fo ade ntina mo mpem asem de bia me kasa ena Kevin Taylor ade ntina ya mo yesa me pese o kira me mom assignment bi me pese o kira mo bloggers ni nyina nwan no me pese obi befa one video from me anga me video unedited na ombo one video kire se me di Otumfuo atem na me mfa snap me pe Otumfuo chew me sere mo ade ntina mo mpem asem ade ntina se me ho ofentira na se be sibia me tie nyansa me wo onyame adom me a me chekire nsemu kire ga ade ntina mo mpem asem adentra moti asembia me ho ana mo bebi abrem adentra ana moti me ho asem kitobia na say mo bebi abrem na mba no so mo ho aba aden me condensed milk ana aden me baby diaper ana me salalak salalak ana me salalak aden me salalak ana because moti mo ho mpene mo ni age asem mo bedi mo di warm water bi me salalak adentra mo ho me ana mo ho aba mo ni age na mo be ma gina so to tie Kevin Taylor asem ye ntiase eye power na meji ye nti eye power no hu ma me che bibi mu nkyere mo power na de kudi nti meji ye ne se mumu bi mu agimi mitumufo a 8 years ena me ka kire mo se partner mu di akire no omo mu di manim no omo agimi nti mo ntia omo na mo manyoma enkoye na Ghana fo enhu se mu ye nipa eno nti na meji power no nti power na amaje no ma bom dua se 42 years am de beba back nti mo ntia se power na amaje ne de amaje. There's no way you can take that power back. 42 years, my cat with three so snap. Emma Sasha akwa da madake ma me de bro Otumfuo nti bibie ni wa mo betima sesa no nti ya wo na ewo mu no mo bedi ache because udi ya wo nkyere se mabrabo nkoso because bibia wo ya nkyere se de ma ye bia nkoso ya wo no mo bedi ache eche mo ma mo kwan na monnom eduro no ma champomfie monnyam champomfie na monfa mfra beto da na monnom na mo mu bi jimi ni ntu na mo hu se ye hiam puntio e wo se party ne de epe saa nyoma ne bi munjai ya wo ne de wo ho minim you are still in that shock Kevin Taylor gitu me Kevin Taylor nkwa boy we hwan na Kevin Taylor nkwa obegina yeso saa gitu me Kevin Taylor maba me nyanko you 42 years in opposition me makama bodua to so 42 years 42 years and sana madwene ho mpo se party bia ba because me go party no me pese me finish no me finish na sie no next time no mon kwara na amogimi no munyini a mo se Kevin Taylor bi baaye na otu asantemanfo na emu nipa ni bi ensu nyansanti ye kotena opposition 42 years ye mpese Kevin Taylor foforo beba because me manyini me di baye 88 86 me do 86 but mama me yire tu so mbobi tu nkume eno ano no enti me medi nka kiro me wel mu enti mumma pain no nko na mun start nsu nyansa ye dwudwam all right mu feel me salalak ye din kunim ende mama me bonkyere mo Otumfuo se Ibrahim Mahama na hwe ne ba wo school nwan mu bi mu ye nwan o nsa mo hene nani ate na mo ye nkurasefo o hene nani ate na o mo odi o mo so ye nkurasefo a ana din nti mu bi no nkurasesem nti ama Otumfuo de okosua abrochie nyina opese ewiase hu no mu bi asantifo no bu ye nkurasefo nti ema Otumfuo ntumi nshine he modwa o kina de mewu Otumfuo se tutu na pia o me do pia.
Thank you, Excellency the President, for allowing me to be the President of Ghana for the next 30 minutes or so.
Joe.
Thank you very much for the honor. My son, who is organizing this mining in motion, was trained by his uncle, Sesam Jonah, and his brother, Ibrahim Mahama.
Joe.
So they trained him, looked after his school and everything, and then I see the reason why he's into mining is that Ibrahim influenced him.
Joe.
Your Excellency, we are deep. Thank you, Excellency the President, for allowing me. Mining in motion was trained by his uncle Sesam Jonah and his brother Ibrahim Mahama.
Joe.
So they trained him, looked after his school and everything, and then I see the reason why he's into mining is that Ibrahim influenced him.
He's at for one to brofo, watch you on 2 for no fefe any brofo. See, he's into mining, and you know Ibrahim Mahama and some Jonah, they look after his school and everything. Asante hine nekas, I don't want to ask you, Jimmy, what the pizza did me matem? Mumu bi mwe Jimmy, mwa santifoni bi. Muntin and punti umbefi. And I did your 2 for them, and I did your 2 for them, or chamber. You didn't see an answer. Jimmy, Otumfuo to akwan kwa abrochena umba, o yan wo. Oda wuti Jimmy mu ye de ye ntiase Otumfuo ne ne abie opese ne nananom mumu bi mu Jimmy no mu adwene mbre fie na nkurasesam no dɔɔso Asante hine ba is into mining, legitimate mining. Atani na de ne ko school tua ne ba ne school fees or catch rawo oti antobias wo fees o twe ombra wo asene ankyekere Ghana ena yantiase ena we tanye ena we di we atem wan na di Otumfuo atem mumu bi mu agimi ochina de mewu nana we di Otumfuo katachiro mo na eso ochina de mewu Otumfuo said to nana odo me chanchan hene piaw I beg you nana we di onkofo ochina no yom nkasa ena ochina de ometete me enumbre omakoma ba brisie oma started to brisie ochina be yeye ochina be demonstration. Now, Mammy, you get the academy. Yet, I will see a baby. All right, thank you very much for staying. We are Ghanaian near winning the Jandam, the dangerous. Yeah, the walk into what we here. Obi betuma can try my wife and say no credit. To be very, very careful with people who are diabolic piglets. Now, Napo say your friend no ako NIB, Emma yako interrogating. Time na oye education minister na poso akokan konkonsa wakwedi konkonsa wonkofo ho e NIB din ende ono angasa to nenum tuo ekasa e
say there odi you na chance so Nti yehwe na my business bi. Akwa about ona. And in here some people you better aba. And I said in here kubusa the crowd there the money pakro. Sabi uni mo yiri aba ware da chia. Said neke wo na no akogina say there. O di you bi the chance we. Nti yehwe na my business bi. Na kuntabo de sabi bi si abijawe. Kofobi adim say ene krabe ko na bi.
What happened there?
Obo frame me. So me bu akunta no maybe me change mu. Me nti bi ka say me nko. Akọ pray no kra.
Ene akontebu na wo na bi no. Me twi ni about try. Akontebu na obi wo na bi no. Is it about come na wo Ministry of Education and I said no wo energy ministry.
Did them no Ministry of Education. That's what it. Me bi ka go come fi mo twi. And now be that kai. So to be say Ministry of Education, the OYE bia mfie 9 over kai they are needing. It's na you watch church for you a cratch for no sabi brody beka say keep records. The name the ebeka mean say obi aye boni say what do I say called first and then just what deep. I was say ye na yetu ho abo Ofori aye ya man say I say Debia Meccan, also the shoe trim from until the Sydney and our Bema, it's not only a bear. It is only Yamibo on your Bemusia. Oh, you be a no dream, you know, yes, sir. No dream who said, let's have near Bemwa. Neka say, you know, Punta, meet me and now meet you. So, wouldn't me, I did. And then did the candy. As you are Ghana. See, I'm from Subuakunta.
Inti, say yes. If this is not the first time, I didn't know. I say now it was 10.
Yeah, akwa about ona. And in here some people you better aba. And I said in here kubusa the crowd there the money pakro. Sabi uni mo yiri aba ware da chia. Said neke wo na no akogina fredi ma ni papa no ahwe wade. Ye nim chinanti. And also you to hear anamuyi.
Okay. Secondly, time I know a Chairman Wontumi and our EOCO headquarters. You say, when your monk to more parliaments, they came there to show some things in Motana from near there. Most of the party babies sent to a bar. But miraculously, we didn't see you there.
Oh, man, Kobe. If the third time night, me no we interview back on Anna Mikusu. We call me on a year. You buy me free run on call Central Region. Maybe buy in a me catch. Said the man can't join. Can you say no crack? You hold him. I could do NIB.
But NIB, have you been able to sort out whatever they wanted from you?
Oh, Massa could be. Every question I make.
No, it's a long call.
Said 8 years.
I Napo, and so nicely. Our Brazilian Mokwame Nkrumah Emre. Mokwame Nkrumah, I say sexy. Kwame Nkrumah can't say more, but Sebio, Yensi and Tomagufiwa Bontine. Uni MP so mako NIB wo akotwe nkofo ntregu nkofo so uni idea unim de akoso Ghana unim de akoso Ghana anka wo hu se MP before ye deda na obi jimini wa ka obetena se na po se oh ende NIB crowd ofri ho be ni second time nie na ochena kro obesa akọ ene se adentina ko so ya frɛ me yetotoma no man set na eye $11 so say 11 cedis me turn $75 per one. Intended or yin questions and also say, well, wouldn't him na okatwi Wontumi ya cry afraid na what is our uncle school die for one away today. And also Napo, now then na Wontumi Eshema ye demonstrate so me no me to kwine because sirem and I'm best ko Kevitela Chrome infantimemu me buy na NI before so frame na interrogation temu a say na ye jame ochina kura mesa akotwa so into this year krampo ya frɛ no na usirem dwan a wote asantime wa adwene also we this year obedwa he we dis rebu fatam me se we srebu ni we teni na the MPP chi a we srebu dwan apo na onim nyansa party na nkasa embu srebu fo enti inchichiremu ni nyina ne se eye this year Mokwame Nkrumah se wako NIB aba o ya toto na no eja dan to but oye no cool because ultimate nya gidigidi oye gidigidi pani amwa no peke saba enti sia no wako hyem na wadwudwam and also your friend me ai ochina kura mesa akọ ai stories wo amanfo nyoma chesha amanfo to amanfo nkasa amanfo akoka gu amanfo so amanfo akodi konkonsa amanfo person be ko jail enti san kwasiafo no mugu street so demonstration na mo mmobọ ka twifa wo so na ekun a wagimi kwa ekun ato atwene Napo na ekasa no we anke mistake anko be vice president wo na no win I say ochichire powder e wo Burkina Faso wo enkwasiake kan jimi ote power be education minister scandals dwom ene kufu ado tena so energy ministry de mbayo Napo ni Canada Japan condensate $2 million etumi ira in a night eno yenko wansemo sa $2 million condensate sibi ira no investigations in mbayo Napo be catch say condensate wo tema oil refinery to ayira inframa boma ehu mane ko yenyandu energy ministry yenenam eye education ministry 4 years first ansani about the second 4 years anytime I say John Mahama 4 years is not enough what they wunim de aba munim de aba kakwase bi mbie na no ka say ye power 2028 why na ekwaje power no why na you credible to stand on the stage and say me na me ye NPP presidential candidate why na no so wo Ghana why na betima kofu stage say tuma me na me betima contest elections wana in the MPP Canada Japan and the catch am say e Japadia also wo Ghana nyina no sa nyina e Japadia krata na so Canada Japan Ghana now nam also wo dan 500,000 no sa Japadia say e chinche ba wutu ko fa ba krata say hey Kennedy say krata we nyina de say wanzam for krata o ai krata nyina enya papa omo ankasa lawyer ene ka kire say Canada Japan say krata o de ba yandra o say o de ba be yi edien o de be yi eye Chairman Wontumi yesi agi Kennedy krata na obubiem no mobiem say Kennedy krata ide say we empreko nam na elefa we enya also say dan we me rente we so na me dia na obitim na betu no intiesia no onye ntu we lease no yes say we nyina lease dan dan a wa rent enya wo dia apia kubi na ka che say Kennedy krampo no ka pre.
I discussed with him today that if it happens that questions are put to me regarding people who have come to submit documents, I want to mention your name. You don't mind? He said, I don't mind at all. And I'll also discuss circumstances why your document couldn't be used. He says he doesn't mind. And this is Honorable Kennedy or in Japan.
Oh, he also came forward.
Yes, he came forward. He brought some documents. And these documents, upon verification, I realized that they were either leases or assignments that had not been registered. So they lacked title. So we couldn't use such documents. And I told him. Incidentally, I didn't keep his document because they were of no use to me at the time.
Right.
So I returned those documents to him.
And you explained to him why you couldn't.
To him and advised him that he needs to perfect all his documents.
Okay.
And indeed,
that's a free legal advice.
Yes, free legal advice. But at least I was also encouraging him to tender them to my office for us to perfect his documents.
That's a business opportunity for you.
For a fee.
Right.
And I told him.
Okay. All right. So when did he bring this document?
Apia could be say time and Chairman Wontumi share them na ye moano no look alike ye look alike no o se kere Japan ko sankrata bi ba se Jakpa de nkrata ni and also obo asmesi wo de enim so wo sika I got money I got dough I got all money sexy man like me I ye de enim wo na uchi taxi ache and Apia could be so omo je nkrata no omo so and omo hwehwe kere di nkrata ni mu se say Jakpa de ni nyina no e ho son a na omo tim jakoyi e look alike Chairman Wontumi time almost started being nkrata no say hey Sir Kennedy nkrata woni aba nyina Jakpa de nyina ba ko mpo nya ne dia Jakpa de ni nyina si awawa enya ne dia enye oni Jakpa de Apia ku bi so ka chekere se Kennedy me bow anase me tufo nkrata wo a wo de nam Ghana se wo Jakpa de enya wo dia wo ye nkrata ni ye because nkrata no ebia wa adwene nko ho na nkofo bukata bibia ni wo di mu Apia ku bi se ono mo tu Kennedy Japan fo second the jai dede se mi wosika na nkrata wo so aba ha se wo de over 4.5 billion no sa krata de ba kumpo ni wa papa dia wo chese wo Jakpa de nyina ba kumpo ni wa Jakpa de ni nyina eyenkofo nyoma inti Kennedy safa nkrata ne bra na me law firm ha yenji wosika ni enya nyoma ye ma na sa de we de yemfa nya mi wosika It is Ankanya, a look alike Chairman Wontumi asame ba ya. Anke yenim se sakere de Japan or a rented rich man. He got dollars, I got money. Sani nyina kwale basika. Sam was catch our Kennedy. I got money to spend. Now we in the Siamba Shaha, I got money to spend. And I'm a beautiful man. Sani nyina kwale basika. Alomisika. Sa Kennedy sikeri nyina ayakuko sika. Sa solid gold. Enya solid money. Sana Kennedy Japan sikeri nyina enya solid money. Sana yakuko sika or dada Kennedy. Or you rented rich man. You hired no number. Obeka just a rich man. Sango phobia bo pa na obeka just say I got money, I got dollars. Nobody got money like me. Sa show down nyina akuko sika. A rented rich man. Kennedy Japan is a rented rich man. Sani a rente eno oma tanga. Onya kakra na kotoka baako. Na otim. Kennedy nie always go way ni dan bebre. Sani a rented rich man. Kennedy Japan a rented rich man. Hey. In Kofo we are dada Ghana for and Chebia Brand Champon, the other bros, Aqua or your chrome fortune will be a Brand Champon. And then Brand Champon, I'm going to start a Bremono. Or your richer will be the story, Baba. Now, Mamma can be Chamo. A year Brand Champon, President Opedino. On him say, on your president in you. On him say, party the goo. On him say, Baomian to be the president. On him say Kennedy Japan to be the president. On him say after 2028, party will open up. Now, people like Kennedy Japan, they will fall back because Omi a rented rich man. Baomia will never be attractive again to any Ghanaian. So Baomia will be out of the picture. Kennedy Japan will be out of the picture. He thinks, say, when he goes for these primaries, not Odi third and not fourth, and as or the name say, or one of the people who contesting for the primary, sir, he will capitalize on this contester over take part. Now about 2032. Oh, about 2032. Then no ama omuye entrin na omuye delegate na tiase say I was here. Ya chi kwasi ampenyi Chairman Wontumi kura me na mko yi no. In fact, Kennedy, he cannot be trusted. He is not intelligent. He is not stable. He is not somebody we can rely on. He speaks anyhow. He's not a presidential material. So I don't make to Kennedy so. Omega said, we have given him all the opportunities. He has become 8 years. He became a running mate for 8 years and also a vice president for 8 years. We have given him enough opportunity. And he has another nod. He did not win. So Baumia, technically, almost by 20 years, he has wasted our time. Inti Yanayaba, give us the nod. Inti Brand Champon, he's not eyeing 2028 too. Brand Champon, MPP, when they know 2028, they will not win. Inti they are fooling the base. He is building the presidential ambition around 2032. Because when you say after 2028, party will blow up. Now, when the party blows up, they will need somebody who will step in and say, Senam Wuska, Mofaska Wenyewe, Miwaska, because definitely 2028, Canada Japan, so when a flag bearership nod now, he's stepping away. Mahamudu Baumia, we need 2028, I want to be beating Mahama. And now whoever the NDC puts there, because Ghana for ya start here ya adwene say pese de Mahama babiem, because ejuma Mahama ye no ye nya sure say 4 years is enough. Intimi me say obusam ya make say say Mahama wa hoden 2028 ombrabiem. So they know say their chances of winning 2028 is very slim with Baumia or Kennedy. Now they know Brian Champon cannot win 2028 election even when they make him the flag bearer, because nobody knows Brian Champon. He is not a product that is known. He is only known around the criminal cartels. So what they are trying to do is they are now trying to show Brian Champon. They are now trying to put him under the lights. From now on to 2032, it is going to be Brian Champon. He will be in the shadows. And what he will be doing is he will be using money to distract Baumia and Kennedy. He will be fueling dissatisfaction in the party. And he will stay away and say, oh, say they are young, Afenyo. So Opobia obe pulling a lot of cracks in the party, Brian Champon. Because he is trying to dismantle Baumia Kennedy to be able to go through it in 2032. It's Brian Champon strategy, and you know. So you people, someone to politics as here. What he is doing today, he knows you people don't have a chance in 2028. He is preparing himself for 2032 when the party blows up. Because the party has already blown up inside. Party I implode I say a blow up inside. It's about to just open up for people to see. And Brand Champomo, they are behind the scenes. They are fueling the party. Because without them putting a lot of cracks in the party, they cannot get Brian to come in 2032. And it's now Busana Pomo, so 8 years the NDC BD, 12 years the NDC BD. They know. Because even 2032, no, Sir Brian Champon Bano failure, they will say he has another opportunity to go again the next elections. Because now they know Baumia cannot be Mahama. No matter what, Mahama, Ghana for, we will get on the street and force Mahama to contest again. On Pekure force no. Wega. Now do you say Uja if I'm home? What do you say Uja if I'm home? Make sure politics 101. I'm showing the NPP plan. This is what is going to happen. And Medinka catch them. This is what the plan is. If you don't get it so confused, say, oh, Dennis, Dabi, Brand Champo, on 2028. Nagana for sending him Brand Champo. So the Brand Champo, yeah, NPP flag bearer, NPP, omunya 10%, omunya 2% kura. Into ono nim. And the people he has put together, they have told you, Brian, you cannot come in 2028, you don't have that chance. Baomia, enim edaho, but Omunim said Baomia cannot beat any NDC candidate. They know. And now that John Mahama is overworking and Ghanaians are getting so comfortable and wanting John Mahama to continue, no, the probability of Ghanaians getting on the street to push for John Mahama second term, it is high. Because MP before Nagasa will push, say, or say John Mahama twaso. Because the Japan group, no, they like John Mahama. But Omia group will be John Mahama. At a point, they will say, and they will all come out and support John Mahama to run for 2028. Because a Juma John Mahama, you know, even Baumia campaign, Omunim say they cannot beat John Mahama. Kennedy knows they can't beat John Mahama. So it's better they all come and support and help John Mahama to go than for Brian Champon to use illegal money to come and lead them. Right now, they want to weaponize Brian Champon as the second shot. Because they know, say, even though they are going to steal for Baumia to go, no, they know Baumia cannot win. So that is the format. That is the plan. Men mabibia unau, yenim bibia any omonete. En kwasi ade ni ashawo fom de echenya enimomo. Enti enimo nkoma omudi. De omo ye nyina yenim. Yenimomo 442 no plan ye na omo na ebo. Enti ye be kyerɛkyerɛ mo plan ni nyina mu. Omo ni option. Ebe si ne 6 months. Party to me can't show the person here. They don't have any message, nothing. And they will never have a message because the NDC, you know, the MPP cannot get around it. Now, what story we? Ken Ofori Attah some abedaho. Ken Ofori Attah is a fugitive like me. Sana NTP voka. Hey, Ken Fretela, Utimi Bagana. Me bet, me nemo ko bet. Me Bagana Jack Ken Ofori Attah. And then the minimum bet, me kebibia. It's our bufu. Member Ghana Jack and Ofori Attah. And the Met Secretary Ofori Attah say, Onunkwane the only fugitive. Mekachre eyedie Ken Ofori Attah maybe challenge Ken Ofori Attah. I'll go to Ghana before he goes to Ghana. Hey, Ken Ofori Attah is we are the two fugitives. You ever heard about Ghana first? Ken me say Omba. Ken Ofori Attah, he is not going to come. Anyway, Omba is not going to come. Now, I'm going to just story we show. Where is Ofori Attah and the Parliament Majority Caucus? Ebusa eye Afenyo marking. Eye akwana kakawura yedi timno. Kasongo, the content creator, say you stood in Parliament and told Parliament to say, "Oh, the Ofori Attah beba on the 2nd of June." Where is Ofori Attah? Afenyo marking. Onimi nyansa. He speaks by heart. Odim say Afenyo marking. Wako interrogation 3 times. Do you know? You don't know. Yeah. Do you know Afenyo marking? The minority leader. Your friend was NIB 3 times. Unim. Di onkanjiro. Aha. Eshane to. Also na nse okasa ohwe nika sebu yepa. Afenyo marking. He has been invited 3 times by the NIB. He has been invited 3 times. Ya kwaje jina no asem 3 times. And say also okasa no hwe nika sebu ye. Also bia na ojimi first also we slow down kakra. Ha. Onim se bibi besi. Onim say some danger. Onim say danger be ABC. Original Parliament catch a Ghana for you say he will bring Ofori Attah on the 2nd of June. And then the question is, NDC former Parliament Ebusa Afenyo marking, the content creator, Kasongo 99 Kakaure Ura in the tribune say, where is Ken Ofori-Atta? This is the minority in parliament questioning Kasongo 99 about Ken Ofori-Atta.
Mr. Speaker, if I may say, he promised this house that he will bring Ken Ofori-Atta in May. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Where is Ken? Where is Ken? Where is Ken? You promised us that you will bring Ken to this house. He came to this house and made a promise. You promised this house that you will produce Ken. You will produce Ken Ofori-Atta in May. We are in June. This is the 3rd of June. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Mr. Speaker, he should no longer be heard in this house. Because when he makes promises, he doesn't fulfill them. He comes here and makes promises and never fulfills them. Yes, when we make promises, let's keep them. Mr. Speaker, when he promised to sleep at EOCO, by 10 p.m. he left EOCO. He abandoned.
You still...
Mr. Speaker, this is the man who is talking about people not fulfilling their promises. You promised to sleep at EOCO, and you left at 10 p.m.
Honourable Majority Leader, please conclude. Honourable Majority Leader, please conclude.
Mr. Speaker, let me...
Afenyo Markin and the minority, they are an embarrassment. They have no principles. They act like ducks. Double. They act like they do anything just to please their base. Afenyo Markin, Ejina Parliament, catch say, I will bring Ken Ofori-Atta, we will bring Ken Ofori-Atta, and Ken Ofori-Atta away. And why should any reasonable person take such group of people serious? These are a group of people. They don't have the intelligence to even feel so. These are people you cannot take their word. NPP, they are selfish people. They are people who don't respect Ghana for intelligence. They think, say, Jimmy to say, founders. Into what they do, and they say, all that they do every time, say, they speak to us without even thinking about it. Into what this MPP does, and they say, they just speak because they know base me or Jimmy, they will get on the street and make noise. Where is Ken Ofori-Atta, Afenyo Markin? Where is Ken Ofori-Atta? Why should anyone trust such a liar? Such a diabolical liar, such a thief, such a con, such a disease of a politician. Nipa or Otumfuo to say, what Tetina and Koku to training, or Sanko Pyri or Pyform, no account show, no account chum, because we are bonsam, kind of correct. You are a liar, you just deceive people. Afenyo Markin is a despicable, filthy liar, a disease, such a political measles, and Ghana. Content creating, always attacking policemen, a filthy liar who defends pedophiles, somebody who has no respect for the law, all because the partner only, majority of them are unintelligent. They are not smart enough to know that people who lead parties, their words are their bond. This guy has no principle, a dirty riffraff going after people's wives, such a dark, dirty criminal character. Afenyo Markin. He searched through every criminal conversation every single day. And this guy stands in parliament and lies through his teeth. And we say, a person who you cannot trust, how should we allow such people to be standing in parliament and making noise for us to believe them? This is despicable. This is disheartening. At time. Mami yansu so sankwase asem we so. Mami amani pebi enfili say Ghana no motino omo betime jimia because omo she suit be because omo from say omo some kind of politicians. We need to stop them. We need to let them know. Say masa yama we juma. You need to do that job. This is what you need to do. And if you don't do it, we have the right to speak in your face. And such diseases, liars, filthy politicians like Afenyo Markin, we all know, threatening people on phone. These are criminal incarnates. We are not supposed to trust such people. They have nothing about them that is clean for us to respect. We need people with good integrity, people with intelligence, people who respect the Ghanaian, who is feeding them like pigs, because we, the taxpayers, are feeding pigs who are not telling us the truth. Afenyo market is acting like a pig, because when we give him food, he forgets that we fed him. Where is Ofori Atta? A dirty liar, a filthy, diabolic, disgusting liar. Ofori. Now move forward. Yeda ujina Ken Ofori Atta issue so about 6 p.m. Ken Ofori Atta story na ni ejinem ni yenyanko. Remember, be careful, be warned, or be aware of liars. They are dangerous, they are demons. Uhu otrofo atwon ho ombetumi ekum. Enti what is otrofo kasa, do not take it serious.
Continue me must jo wulu echire ho eye methodist dan na chire ho ne ya seria because asem no kan nya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem ne nya no kore akama ne nya no kore. Continue me must jo wulu echire ho eye methodist dan na chire ho ne ya seria because asem no kan nya no kore eti de wo ye you should know say I know it better. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem ne nya no kure akama ne nya no kure. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem ne nya no kure akama ne nya no kure. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam asem ne nya no kure akama ne nya no kure. Minu apa no 2016 me no na na ebo jandam ye fa bibi jandam.
Be careful of bad people and liars. Be very careful about those people. They can put poison in your food. When they are around you, be careful. Be very, very careful of such people. Are dangerous people. So sorry be very careful. Listen to them. They are liars. All right. Now, we are still on Ofori Atta. This is another Ofori Atta story. Oh, sorry. It's this one. Is Ofori Atta under any compulsion to cooperate with the OSP? Where your friend Frank Davis, Ofori Atta lawyer. And the Ofori Atta lawyer ne catch the Ghana for say, Aden, Ofori Atta ayenche. Say mo friend say omra na mo tutu na no a eyensha na ana sebio mo twamra chinchini bi ato so oni so adan mo na modi Ofori Atta abra aboso ana o say oni enhye bia ni so say o say mo friend say omra eye ebu a eman a obebu say finance minister no kro no wabom no ne lawyer catch them say mo fa mo jimi nko be mo fa mo jimi free onko ye fe no den Frank Davis ne lawyer ni tiriwi e no no so ni tiriwi say me catch them say sankwasiafo o mummumo MPP4, they don't respect you people one bit. MPP, Nane Kufuado MPP, Baomia MPP, Kennedy Japan MPP, Brande Champon MPP. Omumbu Ghana for bako. Yeah? Ofori Atta be the finance minister. The special prosecutor, Eddie Asamato, ne so say, Yashushan Semu, Brande be ya no, ne lawyer catch Ghana for say, Yafa kwasi ankono wa, ade, enyan show. Yen to me shane kitten se omra no me yinsema no aden Ghana no eye nedia yen fa Jimmy nko no wa na Ofori Atta nya ready say o baba be den aba be yi questions bia no sa afi matomasum yeti kroma na ka kire mu se nkofo mu ye wifo sa MPP fo amudi tumi ahye omunsa ekufo ado ebusuafo Baomia Kennedy Japan Brande Champon oseche mensa bosu sa MPP fo ye wifo mu ya atrofo do not trust them on say ende ne lawyer na ne hu fi ne friend Frank Davis no won asem efi ne numu ba asem we ekoma Otumfuo ekoma ya na ekoma eye awonafo hene ekoma menana kwesi Attah Central Regional House of Chief Infantifo hene Cape Coast hene ekoma sewifo hene ekoma bonofo ekoma ahemfo akese omo Ghana asofo pedifo Ofori Atta lawyers say adan edi ankwase asem no mo Ghana fo mo ntumi nhye no ema ne mma so oba be mo betoto na no se mo agimi ye ka bibia kire mo amonte Ya kyerɛ mo sɛ nkɔfoɔ wei ɔmo yɛ wifoɔ, and apart from ɔmo yɛ wifoɔ no, they don't respect you people. Meka kyerɛ mo sɛ ekufoɔ na busuafoɔ MPP star party wei ɔmo yɛ wifoɔ. Apart from ɔmo yɛ wifoɔ no, they don't respect you people. The whole Ghana, we want Kenneth Atta to come answer questions. Ne lawyer catch us yɛmfa yɛkɔ siankɔ no wa at the Air Force. That is what they are telling us today. That is what Ofori Atta lawyer and they were granting interview. That is the statement they are making to us. Can Ofori Atta betina Ghana? Omu diye sike nyina. Frank Davis onye. Mami enlarge the picture and Messiah, get me onye. Onenim oni triwin. Can Ofori Atta so ni triwin. Enkwasi asem nkwa. Onom jot ni wi bubom enkwasi asem. They don't respect you people. Ofori Atta lawyer nie. And makachira mo say, eye MPP for, eye sa party way, they don't respect omumbu Ghana for, omumbu asante hene, omumbu awuna hene, omumbu gamanche, omumbu eye omumbu obiao. They don't respect doma hene omumbu no. Sa MPP for, and still in opposition, they don't respect anybody. Because this is the taxpayer asking you to come and answer questions. Ne lawyer, Ofori Atta man ne lawyer writes on country say, "Yanfo yakwa sianko aden eyenhye." So beba Ghana say, "Ye ne sika na ohwe so 8 years no, e wo se obeyi ano." Ken Ofori Atta lawyer so ka kire no. Na ma me kire ade bi hwade. Osaka asemfufuro bi, o say, Ofori Atta's case. Do you know what cancer patients go through? Ken Ofori Atta lawyer ka kire say, "Yanfo yakwa sianko no a na yenim cancer patient eye bra anase ohawa omufem ene de omo kire yu Ken Ofori Atta sa ka kire eye ne lawyer so kan kire ye say ye ne yete Ghana no yenim yawa cancer patients omukom nti yemfo yakwase anye din. Do you know, sir, as we speak there are people in Ghana prisons are more cancer. They are making it look like say Ken Ofori Atta nya prostate cancer into being serious da. Inti yenye for yakwasi anko because oma can't to inkwasiafo bi trim se Ken Ofori Atta or cancer abra yehu any evidence that just Ken Ofori Atta or cancer. In fact, later now with the mass as a publisher no, from what we are seeing, from the evidence we are gathering, it is fake. But Ken Ofori Atta to me instructing a lawyer Frank Davis say omon kan kire say ye Jimmy yenti cancer se na yehu cancer patients de omu komuda. Me no ka say ye wo obi a ote Ghana sisi a or that jail time a ye jail no cancer ye wo obi sisi a ogina court or Ghana me no ka say or cancer and so ogina court and so MPP for Ken Ofori Atta ka che say ono onya cancer nti afia kwasia nko no ha ye nte cancer patients ya o mu community adenti na ye frɛ no intenda no obi a bedi Ghana sika no akwatena abruchiri no aka che say onya cancer oh onya hernia nti ye nim se na hernia for etwoba question. That is what they are implying. Now, when we be and go forward the politics na could do. These are the same people telling you say Fatumi ma MPP. Yan Fatumi sa fa man kwasiafo no mo fanye den. Na yanti kroma, let me show you this calculation. Technology. Okay, story way. Time I can Ofori Atta yare ayeka say on resigning. They no kan. I've been battling liver disease, but my DNA is strong enough to work. We are 2021. 2021, Ken Ofori Atta catcher Ghana say oyare. But the DNA are very strong into on resign. And I'm a kwasiampe and our catcher say when you cancer. Cancer be a yenim. On when you cancer nti yamfo yakwasianko yenim the cancer for film. Oh, DNA there and to fight cancer ne. Alright, there you go, Paul. Unim DDP for patients. Ya nananom, ya papa no mo call pension no more cancer. Sa kwasi ampe Ken Ofori Atta ji omunsam sika obuye. 2021 technology and am dey akire no yanko akire enim ha ya makire. This is what Ken Ofori Atta told us. Time o ka kire say oyare ka say Ken Ofori Atta resigning. Na obi me finance minister. In 2021, o ka kire say I've been battling a liver disease, but my DNA is strong enough to work. And the Ken Ofori Atta catcher say oyare it don't be magana keke. Time na this sika na cast on tran chen no. Also oyare kura on tran chen. Also you pay labo aje. So go for kwasi ade wo mutirim. So I could yet na be di o matem because omu some wejimi. Can offer Atta ne boy, but then the chat ba be kire one ma. O tumi ka kire ma se me papa de onim nyansa o wia sika no nyansam. Can offer Atta boy. 2021 Otwinwe ka kire se obesori sika no so ma obi abehu kwase ade awaye de. Wenya liver disease ba ne den ne DNA is strong. So that time no a terminator 1. Me kire mu the technology betima ye technology akofa calculation aba.
Technology. I shouldn't have technology. I shouldn't have technology. Technology. I shouldn't have technology. I shouldn't have technology. Technology. I shouldn't have technology. I shouldn't have technology.
And in Kofobu Abajo so me penifo mu nim nyansa ma memfa story we nto nchen ha na menkyerɛ adekodi ntia in penifo bi omo Ghana wo MPP mo yankwasiafo. The reason why I use some words no I na mo MPP for mo ntia se na hwa ade won ade am de akyerɛ wo ha no you've seen it right hwa ade we oye penyini hwa asama woka tie we enana o advice Ekufuado former presidential advisor on health. Also Abekembi, or say he is being treated already over there. So why should he be transferred here to receive treatment? If Mr. Ofori was your father or uncle, will you give this advice? Papa, we do over 70 years. What has more catch there? 2021, Ofori saw Yari Castle on Tranchen, or seen what DNA is strong. And they say Ofori Emra na accountability nyejuma. Papa penyin toto kwasi ampeyi ka kire se senkia papa anaye wo fane Ofori Atta o tia brucha o hwe no yare no anka obetu no fo se omra kwasi awe ni nam Ghana so yepenyini 2021 ka technology na ho no oh and the response o de mamo obese o kire se sa eye insia sarwe yen ma menom ya papa no mo pensioner DDEP no more cancer o more liver disease DDEP ku o mo agimi. This man was advising Ekufuado on health. This foolish man, on na to Ekufuado, nefo, Jubilee House on health. And the Okache say, Sanka Ofori ya wofa, kwasia, na ya papa nom ne ofa nom na omu ye. DDP Ofori Atta de mo de beso mo no, haircut no, na omu de omu nye nipa. Nkwasia fu e ati Ghana na yasoso omo so. Yes Kevin Muade odidi atem. Me tell the reason why I don't respect this group of idiots. Omu ejimi. Omu mumo enkwasiafo we magu abrochire in the next 5 years omeba be catch am say ye papa no ma mobra kwasia o catch so Ofori Atta ye papa na ya ankla anke betu no fosa ombra na mo betina so 8 years mutumi si one regional hospital betu ahwe no. You were advising the president on health. Kwasia penyi adena we ntu Ekufuado fo amanensi one ultra modern regional hospital anke Ofori Atta betu matima hwe no ho yare mo ye mpenifo a mo agimi. I mention another one. We munkwasi afo me the technology and responded to omunkwasi asem. Osaka asembi. Oh, it's the same thing, sorry. The whole thing is MPP form penifo no mudi anim no. Omo ne omo munkwara no, omo nyina jimi. And debia me kire the reason why I na me di omatem. And debia no na me the adanse abekire mo. Into ono ende in Siasare catcher, unim say in Siasare we are bona. He advised Ekufuado for 8 years. At the Jubilee House, he was taking millions of dollars every month. Ekufuado in see one regional hospital. Agenda 111. Omo intuma nya baako. Papa we na advise Ekufuado on health. Kwasi ampenyi we ni Ghana say we do penyini mendi na tem. DDEP amanfo nya cancer wiye. Omo nya eye chronic diseases omo intuma nya sika nhwe omo ho because of nkwasiafo we ya haircut amuku nipa. And yesi Ofori Atta mbra no mbeyi questions ano no nsankwa. O ka che senke e ofa no no. Ke papa no no a anke beka che so mfra brochire mbra na ometie ome answer questions. Kwasiafo we yetete Ghana ye share we mu ayese we mu de omo statement o ye penyini o respect penyini. Now we say akora we jimi ono na nyini be ye penyini kwasia. Don't you know? Akwara we Jimmy. Onu na nyini atoto ma be 70-80 be da na Ekufuado be penyini kwasia. Don't you know? We mu no mo Jimmy kwara bremo obi antia omo. Nobody made them understand. Say, "Wano kasa ne bechire nyanse da utrim." We no mo yankwara nkwasiafo ye ja o mo ba pejini nkwasiafo. We need to let them know before they die. How can you speak like this? Kind of Atta, a DNA chese kind of Atta is being treated. Tama OSP, Emma Kadofurata time to come and prove to us no Okambibi. After we put him back on the wanted list, and I Kadofurata, Omoko edit letter be able to assassin radio say, we let away in a chair, and in the days to come, we will prove to you say letter a fake. Me see, days ahead, we will prove to you say letter na assassin radio gabi mudi abeto say Kadofurata treatment be ewa abrochi America hospital be ya be surgery we are going to prove to you it is fake. Enti nkwasiafo wei sa enkokora wei ene yete Ghana ene yasoso mo so no omodi nkwasiasam sa okokape na amanfo buofu. Why are you talking about these people? Omo ye mpenifuo. These are the foolish people. Now my yanko enim in some of the doors ye bedwum ye nyanko bibia wedwa. Na wudwa akwahin kemitela ba obi ehwe. Now this is another story I want us to talk about. And it's got to do with eye edubuahin. Good evening, Kennedy Japan, aka rented white rich man. Kennedy, you are a rented rich man. Zaunika pre. Ghana ho. Kennedy Japan, aka rented rich man. Hey, kapre ni ho. And the wawakoto.